Urban agriculture is growing rapidly, with more and more city dwellers turning to gardening and farming on rooftops, balconies, and small urban plots. But when it comes to growing food in cities, the quality of the soil can often be overlooked. Soil management is crucial for growing healthy plants, especially in urban environments where space and soil quality may be limited. In this video, we'll explore some simple soil management techniques for urban agriculture that can help you grow healthy and productive plants in the city. In urban agriculture, soil health is crucial because the space you have is often limited, and the soil may not be naturally fertile. Urban soils can sometimes be compacted, lacking in organic matter, or contaminated with pollutants from the surrounding environment. Proper soil management helps ensure that your plants receive the nutrients and water they need to thrive. 1. Soil quality challenges in urban areas. Urban soil can face a lot of challenges: contamination from pollution, low fertility, poor drainage, and compaction. Since city spaces are often small and soil is often brought in from outside, it's important to manage the soil properly to avoid these issues. There are several simple soil management practices that can improve the soil health in your urban garden. Let's take a look at some easy-to-implement techniques that can make a big difference. 1. Adding organic matter, compost and manure. Adding organic matter like compost or manure to your soil is one of the best ways to improve its quality. Organic matter helps to improve soil structure, increase nutrient content, and enhance water retention. It also promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms that help break down nutrients for plant uptake. 2. Using raised beds or containers. In urban environments, using raised beds or containers can help improve soil drainage and prevent compaction. These allow you to control the quality of the soil more effectively by using a mix of compost, garden soil, and other organic materials. Improving soil drainage. Soil drainage is important, especially in containers or raised beds. To prevent waterlogging, you can improve drainage by adding small stones or gravel to the bottom of your containers. This ensures that excess water doesn't sit in the soil, which can harm plant roots. Let's look at a real-life example. Meet Suman, a city dweller who started gardening on her apartment balcony in a major city. Suman noticed that her plants were not thriving, so she decided to improve her soil management. She started by adding compost to her containers and mixing it with good quality garden soil. She also raised the beds to improve drainage. As a result, her plants began to grow more vigorously, and she even started harvesting fresh vegetables like tomatoes and spinach. Suman's story shows how simple soil management techniques, like adding compost and improving drainage, can make a huge difference in an urban garden. With the right care, even small spaces can yield healthy, homegrown produce. In conclusion, soil management is crucial for successful urban farming. Whether you're gardening in containers, raised beds, or small urban plots, improving soil quality by adding organic matter, enhancing drainage, and using proper techniques will help you grow healthy, productive plants. So, start managing your soil today for a healthier urban garden tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Do you practice urban agriculture? Share your soil management tips with us in the comments.